पतंजलि योगा सूत्रा तृतीयोऽध्यायः विभूतिपादा दी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी पावर्स देशबंध चित्तस्य धारणा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लॉक्स कॉन्शियसनेस ऑन अ सिंगल एरिया तत्र प्रत्यक्तान्ता ध्यानम इन मेडिटेटिव absorption the entire perceptual flow is aligned with that object तदेवार्थ मात्र निर्भासन स्वरूप शून्यमिव समाधिः when only the essential nature of the object shines forth as if formless integration has arisen त्रयमेकत्र संयमः concentration meditative absorption and integration regarding the single object comprise the perfect discipline of consciousness तज्जयात् प्रज्ञालोकः Once the perfect discipline of consciousness is mastered, wisdom dawns. Tasya bhumishu viniyogah. Perfect discipline is mastered in stages. Trayamantarangam purvebhyah. These three components concentration, absorption, and integration are more interiorized than the preceding five. Tadpi vahirangam nirvijase. Even these three are external to integration that bears no seeds. व्युत्थान निरोध संस्कार योर्भिभव प्रादुर्भावो निरोध क्षण चित्तान्वयो निरोध परिणामः. The transformation toward total stillness occurs as new latent impressions fostering cessation arise to prevent the activation of distractive, stored ones, and moments of stillness begin to permeate consciousness. तस्य प्रशांत वाहिता संस्कारात्. These latent impressions help consciousness flow from one tranquil moment to the next. सर्वार्थतैकाग्रत्योः क्षयोदयो चित्तस्य समाधि परिणामः. Consciousness is transformed toward integration as distractions dwindle and focus arises. ततः पुनः शांतोदितो तुल्य प्रत्ययो चित्तस्यैकाग्रता परिणामः. In other words, consciousness is transformed toward focus as continuity develops between arising and subsiding perceptions. एतेन भूतेन्द्रियेषु धर्म लक्षणावस्था परिणामा व्याख्याताः. Consciousness evolves along the same three lines: form, time span, and condition as the elements and the senses. शांतोदिताव्यपदेशधर्मानुपाति धर्मी. The substrate is unchanged, whether before, during, or after it takes a given form. Kramanyatvam parinamanyatve hetuah. These transformations appear to unfold the way they do because consciousness is a succession of distinct patterns. Parinam traya saryamaditanagat jnanam. Observing these three axes of change, form, time span, and condition with perfect discipline yields insight into the past and future. शब्दार्थ प्रत्ययानामित्रेतरा ध्यासात् संक्रस्तत प्रविभाग सर्यमात् सर्वभूतृत ज्ञानम. Word, meaning, and perception tend to get lumped together, each confused with the others. Focusing on the distinctions between them with perfect discipline yields insight into the language of all. संस्कार साक्षात्कारणात् पूर्व जाति ज्ञानम. Directly observing latent impressions with perfect discipline yields insight into previous births. प्रत्यय से परचित्त ज्ञानम. Focusing with perfect discipline on the perceptions of another yields insight into that person's consciousness. न च तत्सालंबन तस्याविषी भूतत्वात्. But not insight regarding the object of those perceptions, since the object itself is not actually present in that person's consciousness. कायरूप संयमात्तग्राहे शक्तिस्तंभे चक्षुः प्रकाशा संप्रयोगेन्तर्धानम. When the body's form is observed with perfect discipline, it becomes invisible. The eye is disengaged from incoming light, and the power to perceive is suspended. Eten shabdad dantardhan muktam. Likewise, Through perfect discipline, other percepts sound, smell, taste, touch can be made to disappear. सोपक्रम निरुपक्रम च कर्म तत्सनिमात्परांत ज्ञान दृष्टिभ्यो वा. The effects of action may be immediate or slow in coming. Observing one's actions with perfect discipline or studying omens yields insight into depth. Maitreyadishu Balani. Focusing with perfect discipline on friendliness, compassion, delight, and equanimity, one is imbued with their energies. Baleshu Hasti Baladini. Focusing with perfect discipline on the powers of an elephant or other entities, one acquires those. Pravrityalokanya sat sukshma vyavahitve prakrisht jnanam. Being absorbed in the play of the mind's luminosity yields insight about the subtle, hidden, and distant. Bhuvangyana Surya Sanyamat. Focusing with perfect discipline on the sun yields insight about the universe. Chandra Tara Vyuha Jnanam. Focusing with perfect discipline on the moon yields insight about the stars' positions. Dhruve Tadgati Jnanam. Focusing with perfect discipline on the navel energy center yields insight about the organization of the body. Nabhichakre Kaya Vyuha Jnanam. Focusing with perfect discipline on the navel energy center yields insight about the organization of the body. Kanthkupe Kshutpipasani Vrittiha. Focusing with perfect discipline on the pit of the throat eradicates hunger and thirst. Kurm Nadya Stharyam. Focusing with perfect discipline on the tortoise channel, one cultivates steadiness. Murdha Jyotishi Siddh Darshanam. Focusing with perfect discipline on the light in the crown of the head, one acquires the perspective of the perfected ones. Pratibhadva Sarvam. Or all these accomplishments may be realized in a flash of spontaneous illumination. Hriday Chitta Samvit. Focusing with perfect discipline on the heart, one understands the nature of consciousness. Sattva Purushoratyanta Sankirniyo Pratyaya Vishesho Bhoga Pararthtvat Swarth Sanemat Purushagyanam. Experience consists of perceptions in which the luminous aspect of the phenomenal world is mistaken for absolutely pure awareness. Focusing with perfect discipline on the different properties of each yields insight into the nature of pure awareness. Tatah Pratibhashravan Vedna Darshasvad Varta Jayante. Following this insight, the senses, hearing, feeling, seeing, tasting, smelling, may suddenly be enhanced. Te samadhavupsarga vyutthane siddheha. These sensory gifts may feel like attainments, but they distract one from integration. Bandhakarna Shaithilyat Prachar Samvednach Chittase Parshariraveshan. By relaxing one's attachment to the body and becoming profoundly sensitive to its currents, consciousness can enter another's body. Udana Jiyaj Jalapak Kantakadishvasang Utkrantishch. By mastering the flow of energy in the head and neck, one can walk through water, mud, thorns, and other obstacles without touching down, but rather floating over them. Samanjayajvalnam. By mastering the flow of energy through the solar plexus, one becomes radiant. Shrotra Kashyoha Sambandha Sahe Maddiven Shrotram. By focusing with perfect discipline on the way sound travels through the ether, one acquires divine hearing. Kaya Kashoha Sambandha Sane Malal Ghutul Samapatteshchakashgamnam. By focusing with perfect discipline on the body's relationship to the ether and developing cold contemplation on the lightness of cotton, one can travel through space. Vahirkalpita Vrittir Mahavideha Tatah Prakashavana Ksheha. When consciousness completely disengages from externals, the great disembodiment, then the veil lifts from the mind's luminosity. स्थूल स्वरूप सूक्ष्मान व्यार्थवत्व सनिमाद्भूत जेहा. By observing the aspects of matter gross, subtle, intrinsic, relational, purposive with perfect discipline, one masters the elements. ततोऽणिमादि प्रादुर्भावः काय संपत्तद्धर्मान विघातश्च. Then extraordinary faculties appear, including the power to shrink to the size of an atom, as the body attains perfection, transcending physical law. रूपलावण्य ब्लवजर संहन्नत्वानि काय संपत्. This perfection includes beauty, grace, strength, and the durability of diamond. ग्रहण स्वरूपास्मितान व्यार्थवत्व सनिमादिन्द्रिय जय. By observing the various aspects of the sense organs, their processes of perception, intrinsic natures, identification as self, interconnectedness, purposes with perfect discipline, one masters them. ततो मनोज्वित्वम विकरण भावः प्रधान जयश्च. Then, free from the constraints of their organs, the senses perceive with the quickness of the mind, no longer in the sway of the phenomenal world. सत्व पुरुषान्यता ख्याति मात्र से सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च. Once one just sees the distinction between pure awareness and the luminous aspect of the phenomenal world, all conditions are known and mastered. Tadvairagyadpi dosh vijakshe kavalyam. When one is unattached even to this omniscience and mastery, the seeds of suffering wither, and pure awareness knows it stands alone. Sthaniyupani mantrane संस्मयाकरण पुनर्निष्ठ प्रसंगात. Even if the exalted beggar, one must avoid attachment and pride, or suffering will recur. क्षंतक्रम्योः सनिमाद्विवेकजन ज्ञानम. Focusing with perfect discipline on the succession of moments in time yields insight born of discrimination. जाति लक्षणदे शैरण्य तान वच्छेदात तुल्ययोस्ततः प्रतिपत्तिया. This insight allows one to tell things apart which, through similarities of origin, feature, or position, had seemed continuous. Tarkam sarvvisham sarvathavishyamkrama cheti vivekjam jnanam. In this way, discriminative insight deconstructs all of the phenomenal world's objects and conditions, setting them apart from pure awareness. Sattva-purushyah shuddhi-same kavalyamiti. Once the luminosity and transparency of consciousness become as distilled as pure awareness, they can reflect the freedom of awareness back to itself.